gravity is the link between sinkholes and black holes. The analogue could also be the link between splash painting and string theory.
Watch the making of a colour-filled splash painting. The science of string theory and the art of splash painting celebrate the creation of a unified field. Here you see the completed painting. Now watch it being composed. The acrylic paint is held in this plastic bottle and thrown with a circular arm action. The paint flowing from the nozzle onto the canvas. When the painting is completed, you will see an impressive series of still photographs detailing the in-flight evolution of the thrown paint. The background noise you hear is the rain on my shed roof, and you will also hear the whoosh of the energetic picture creation. The completed painting. Each splash on the canvas shows the evolution of the emerging paint flow and is called its world sheet. Here are the 5 consecutive in-flight photographs taken at 40 frames per second. The entire sequence covers an 1/8 of a second time frame. It is a remarkable sequence of photographs which depicts the physical effects of fluid dynamics never previously seen. The physics of what we see happens at the nozzle. A thrown paint emerges as a vortex of fluid, similar to the way water empties down the plug hole of a sink. Now, as the energy of the throw increases, the spin doubles to spin 2.
Hello, I'm going to give you a short summary of what my video today has been about. We've been looking at a concept called analogue gravity. And there are many physicists today who are experimenting with analogue gravity and looking into the relationship that exists, the mathematical analogy that exists between the source of a fluid passing through the sinkhole of a basin in a vortex motion and the mathematical equivalent to the vortex field that a black hole has on, say, a passing star and devouring it into its black hole. The relationship, of course, is very different, but on the other hand, the mathematical relationship is a very good analogy. Now, what I have tried to say in the video is that rather than talking about this sink vortex, I have exchanged this vortex for a source vortex. And my source vortex comes through the nozzle of this bottle as paint in my plastic bottle here passes through when I throw it. In doing this exchange from sink to source, I think that I have been able to show how we could produce things like string theory, the theory of strings that come from the beginning of the Big Bang. And those strings exhibit this kind of look, that is to say, the closed string here and open strings there. Now, the mathematical analogy could well work for a source as opposed to a sink. And that has been the fundamental kind of mathematical argument that I've been trying to do. I've simply looked at looking at the mirror symmetry of the sink vortex to my source vortex and thinking that that might explain very well my situation which I've developed in my paintings over the years. In fact, the paintings over my years do stretch back some time. The first painting I did of this work was in 2006, and the first video that I produced was on my YouTube channel on the 25th of June 2009, and that was called String Theory Demonstrated 1. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed the video and that you've got some insight into the way I'm thinking, and perhaps a little bit of insight into what I think is analogue gravity. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Bye.